Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling the numeric input. Press numlock so the keypad sends digits instead of arrows. Make sure you know which layout you're using, full keypad, laptop FN layer, or top row numbers, because the keys behave differently. Once numlock is on, try pressing 1, 2, 3 to verify output. If you see arrows, toggle FN or numlock again. This step gets the keyboard into a numeric state, so the rest of the process works reliably. Next, you practice entering numbers accurately and learn the how and why. Use the numeric keypad for speed. Its dedicated layout reduces hand travel and boosts accuracy. On laptops without a separate pad, press FN plus the labeled keys to produce digits. This toggles layers so the same physical key outputs numbers. When you need special characters, use Alt plus the numeric code on Windows. This sends exact character codes. Make sure to keep num. Finally, you confirm everything works across your common apps. Open a text editor, calculator, and spreadsheet to validate entry consistency. Adjust OS keyboard settings for repeat rate or layout if numbers feel off, because mismatched layouts change which key sends which digit. If a key still fails, unplug and replug the keyboard or reboot. Toggling numlock and FN often clears sticky states. If problems persist, inspect for debris or try a different keyboard. That narrows hardware versus software causes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.